guys! How are you today? Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for opening my video. Today I'm thinking to eat something little bit warm on my bowl. What about rib soup? Do you like it? Okay, let's come to my kitchen and to see what happened there. Welcome to my kitchen. I boiled some water. The measurement is half of the pot. And then the next step, I put the ribs. After I wash clean the ribs, I cook only 300 grams because only for me, one portion. I will cook between 10 or 15 minutes because the first boiled water I will not use it. I will exchange with clean water and we boil for the second time. After that, we put the ribs inside the boiled water and we boil for 10 until 15 minutes to reduce the first layer fat come out from the beef and the bone, and then we exchange to another water and we boil for 1 hour with the slowest cook. After 10 and 15 minutes, between 10 and 15 minutes, and I will stop the stove, turn off the stove. And I leave it for 5 minutes. After that, I'll exchange the water with the new one. After we clean the first water, we put the second boiled water to get clean soup. Once they boil for 10 minutes, and then we put the stove with lowest heat. Minutes, I will reduce for half the heat. It was 9, now I will put 5 or 4 for 45 minutes. Slow cook, it will tender the meat. Okay guys, after that, after we cook 45 minutes, I will put extra vegetable, potato and carrots, broccoli and long green. I just put tomatoes there, half, and then spring onion. So one by one, I will keep the deep hot boiled my vegetable. And the one easy sauce I will keep later. extra heat for my soup. They come back bubble, and then we reduce the heat. We cook slow heat for 20 minutes more before we add the broccoli and the long green. After 45 minutes and we add 20 minutes slow cook, so I will fry some paste mix from galangal, lemongrass, turmeric, coriander, onion and garlic. I will use 1 spoon. I will put extra coriander powder, and garlic powder, keep all the vegetable here. Then we add to the soup. don't want to overcook with my broccoli, so only 5 minutes and I will switch off. Keep it for a while before we serve. So this is the result, guys. The rib soup, homemade by Sinta. And give me your comment, what is the result in your kitchen. Very tasty, tender the beef. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.